Hoping this is 12 volt 3 ampere good schematic, very easy. 2 IC unit 7812 and 2N3055, and this two is pinout for the two ICs like this. This is 2N3055 and this is 7812. It is regulated 12 volt power supply with 3 ampere current support. Two items: one, you can add one digital panel as voltmeter to check the output and input voltage online, and also you should take care the input voltage and this capacitor. If the voltage going more than 25 volt, maybe the capacitor burn or make any problem with like this explosion. However, this is the cheapest and the best way to make 3 ampere 12 volt power supply. I will take a sharp picture from the schematic. You can take a print screen and use this one. Thank you very much for watching.